Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to say thank you because I reached 1,000 subscribers, and I just want to give a token of appreciation to you guys because it's been 4 years since I opened my channel, and I feel very happy and very blessed that everybody that subscribed make my purpose in life comes true, making it happen in this life. So for today's giveaway, I want to give the opportunity to somebody that have dry, dehydrated and aged skin to win this beautiful product. Now, rule number 1, you have to be a subscriber. You have to leave me a comment that your skin is dry and dehydrated, and maybe you are going to be the lucky winner for this fabulous and hydrating giveaway. Now, like I always say on my giveaway, if you have the resources to buy products, please open your heart and give this opportunity to people that really will appreciate and really will be happy, because this is all about life. So now, remember, it's gonna be mass for a whole month supply. So I want that you make the commitment with you, that you have the discipline, that you are going to be doing this every day so you can see the results and we can get your skin to a hydrated and plump and beautiful. Now you're going to exfoliate first to remove the cells. You're going to apply some temperature on your face with a little towel or with a little steam, whatever you have available and you feel comfortable, to open your pores to start the mask. You're going to leave the mask for 20 minutes, and then whatever is left on the little pouch you apply like a serum, and then you proceed with your nighttime routine. And here is a beautiful variety of masks with collagen, with milk, with coconut. Even is one that inspired me to create a new recipe that is going to come in soon, that is going to be with goat milk, because the goat milk have a small molecule, so when people drink it, it's easy to digest. So if we apply it on the skin, it's easy to absorb. So that is coming soon. So here you go, all the beautiful masks, all natural, with hyaluronic acid, with shea butter, with a lot of natural ingredients for the skin. Now I'm gonna have to, in this giveaway, some beautiful masks just for you to pamper your hands, that are very important for the aging process. And we're gonna have a month for that you try taking care of your eyes. Yes, in the morning this is imperative for me. I wake up and I apply my eye mask, and this one I really love it because this one is made with cucumber and lemon. And you know the benefit of cucumber is hydrating, and if you put it in the refrigerator, it's going to help you to decongest and depuff all that area in the morning. And the lemon, if you have some dark circle, is going to help you to maybe lessen that area. So this is a beautiful product. Then I want to encourage to the winner that be committed and use this mask, that I really love it. I am obsessed with this mask. I bought so many for every giveaway for you guys, and it's for hydrating and to firm the skin. And it's beautiful. You apply it in your face and your neck and the décolleté. Last step after all your skin care routine at nighttime. And the last product is going to be my anti-aging all natural lip balm that is going to hydrate your lips for more than 2-3 hours. And trust me, this product we did try and error until the professional girl that worked with me, she cracked down and gives me what I want. and somebody is going to try it. Now, remember, this giveaway finished on March 25, so I wish you luck to somebody. Like I always said on my videos, don't forget to drink water. Water is the most important key ingredient to maintain a beautiful and healthy skin. More hydration, less lines, more plump skin, and a beautiful glow. And the most important thing is that you do what makes you happy. You do live your life with purpose and start doing what you have in your heart, and that's it. And that happiness is going to come into your life, into your face, and it's not cream is the word that's going to give you a happy face. And that's the message for today. You guys take care of yourself, and I send you a lot of good energy. Bye.